So, what is the ideal investment size? Well, after looking at the numbers based on the current fees, $100,000 in the account would be about 0.08% per year on the fee. $1 million account would be 0.008%. So, um, zero point 0.8 of 1/10% of 1%. So if you don't have 100,000 to invest, you could put as little as $1,200 into each portfolio. The thing is, the fees would kind of eat up all your returns. So if you have a larger portfolio, then I think you could absorb the fees in other places. But if you only have 10,000 or 1,200, um, you'd have to um, pool together with your friends and, split an account between 10 people. And that would, take the fee all the way down. Um, Otherwise, you'd get eaten alive by the fees. But for individuals with 100,000 or so, the fees are not there. So that's what it is. And I'd like to reach every possible account, but I don't have a way to offer it fully for free. So I think there's ways that you can be creative about it. Maybe there's a way to do like say you're at a restaurant and you want the employees to have it, buy an account for the restaurant or something like that, and then everybody can invest. Might be a way to do it and get economies of scale there. Take it on a case by case basis. So uh, Yeah, I mean, 1,200 bucks per portfolio, I think is completely fine. I don't want the fees to be something that you worry about, but I would not advocate for spending, once the free trial's done, 20 bucks a month per screen or 67 bucks a month per screen. I mean, if you write it off as entertainment, then, whatever. But if you're looking to earn a return, that's gonna, just take your return away pretty quick. But if you've got 100,000 and you're going to take 1,200 and do it, and you're invested in other places in the 100, you can absorb the fee, I think.